The Secret Lives of Insects, Tiny Friends, Big Adventures. Insects are tiny creatures with big adventures. Let's peek into their world. What are insects? Insects are small animals with 6 legs. They come in different colors and shapes, like bees, butterflies, ants, and beetles. Busy bees. Bees buzz around flowers, collecting sweet nectar to make yummy honey. They help plants grow by carrying pollen from flower to flower. Fluttering butterflies. Butterflies start as caterpillars, munching on leaves. Then, they turn into colorful butterflies that dance from flower to flower. Ant teams. Ants live in big groups called colonies. They work together to build homes, find food, and take care of their queen. Teamwork makes them strong. Beetle buddies. Beetles are everywhere. They come in all sizes, from tiny ladybugs to big beetles. They're experts at exploring the world. Spinning spiders. Spiders spin sticky webs to catch insects for dinner. Some spiders jump or glide through the air. They're like tiny acrobats. Insects may be small, but they have big adventures all around us. Each one has its own special job in nature's big family. So, when you see a little bug, say hello to your tiny friend on a big adventure.